Hello friend, I will guide you today the way we are. Download and install the software WinRAR on Windows. How? First you need to go to Google. You will search for WinRAR. Win. Then you will press enter. You'll see it on the first page. It has a website. The address is WinRAR. Click on this.com. Now you will click on the download. Download WinRAR. Next you will click download. And now it's going to ask you for the link. Where to save? You will click on the download. Finished, click Save How. Next, it will be in the download section. You will enter Drive and click on the download folder. Then you will click up Win. Press Run. Then you'll click to select all. Press the button and then click Done. So the installation is complete. If you think it's good, give me a like as well as a subscription. Yes, thank you.